to the tech world. We covered the Internet of Things, cloud computing, computer hardware, and finally, open source software. These all four play a major role in our lives, attempting to make our lives easier through the use of technology. So let's first start off with the Internet of Things. What exactly is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things is the use of technology to record data. The way the data is recorded is by having identifiers located in any kind of object and then transferring that data of whatever was trying to be collected over to the Internet. All types of data is collected, whether it has to do with washing machines, human, or any other object you can think of. The first quote-unquote thing or machine used in the Internet of Things was a Coke machine in the early 1980s. A person could connect to the Coke machine over the Internet and check to see if the drinks were cold or what the status of the machines were, that it was working or not. Since then, the number of things has drastically increased. It is estimated that by 2020, the number of machines or things used for data will be around 26 billion, and that does not even include smartphones, PCs, and tablets. So what is the point of collecting this absurd amount of data? Well, it will help people, companies, and others manage just about everything in their lives to help them conserve energy and save money. The collecting and analyzing of the data will help people make future decisions that will better improve their lives or their businesses. Our next topic is cloud computing. So cloud computing is using computer resources and applications using the Internet instead of downloading the software. So for example, instead of downloading a software like Microsoft Word onto your hard drive, you can log on to Google Drive using the Internet and create and save all of your documents, PowerPoints, Excel sheets right on Google. And you can access them anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Instead of having to be on your computer where you download the Microsoft Word when you'd have to carry it around, with cloud computing you can access it anywhere in the entire world. All the big tech companies have their own version of the cloud. Google has Google Drive, which is probably the most famous. Microsoft has theirs as well. IBM has one, and Apple has their own for iCloud, which they sync up with iPads, iPhones, and Mac computers. So why the cloud? Why would people use a cloud? The cloud can be very useful for individuals because they would not have to back up their hard drive in case of it all being erased. Instead, all of their software and resources are saved online and available at any time, anywhere, as long as they have internet connection. Our third topic was computer hardware. So computer hardware is any physical part of the computer itself. So this includes the keyboard, the mouse, the monitor, the modem, the printer, anything that you can touch, anything you can physically touch would fall under the term computer hardware.
Yeah, you're ready to go, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.